front of me is OPPO Reno15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Start by opening Settings and scrolling to hit Apps. Now select App Cloner here. Click on Agree and Continue. And then either tap on one of those apps or hit Other apps to clone any of those. Just tap on the chosen one and use gray switcher next to Create App Clone. Then wait, and once you finish, adjust those two options. Rename App Clone, type in whatever you want to, and hit Save. And click on Default App to open to pick one of those options. Always ask Original App or App Clone. When you're done, just go back to check out your cloned app. If you ever wanna uninstall it, you can do that like you can any other app, or you can go back to the same section in Settings and use blue switcher. Then hit Delete at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!